Be sure to see this gem. Newly built in 2023, this exceptional residence showcases the Dunwoody floor plan, a design that perfectly marries luxury with functionality. Every detail has been meticulously planned, offering numerous high-end upgrades to cater to even the most discerning homeowner. Once I stepped inside, I was captivated by the spacious, open floor plan, ideal for both intimate gatherings and large-scale entertaining. The expansive living area seamlessly transitions into the open dining area and gourmet kitchen, where high-end appliances, under cabinet lighting, and a large island with a breakfast bar create a chef's paradise. The home's layout is as thoughtful as it is versatile, featuring a flex room currently used as an office, easily adaptable to suit your unique needs. French doors enhance the home's ambience, while wide moldings, lighting upgrades throughout, and ceiling speakers further elevate its refined yet comfortable aesthetic. The large master suite offers a luxurious retreat, complete with an extended tiled shower that provides a spa-like experience every day. Once again, the well-planned custom master closet made me green with envy. The ensuite guest room is equally as spacious and affords comfort to visiting friends and family. Various upgrades and tasteful design touches enhance the appealing feel throughout. A screened lanai and adjacent extended grilling patio overlook a private wooded backyard, with no future development beyond, offering the ideal setting for enjoying peaceful relaxation outdoors. Additional amenities include full-stair access to the attic for ease and accessibility, a workroom, sleek durable epoxy garage floor finish, a water filtration system featuring reverse osmosis for clean water throughout, and the smart home wireless package to control various aspects.